So what is 360-degree liposuction? So it is a comprehensive body contouring procedure that targets fat removal from multiple areas around the entire midsection. So unlike the traditional liposuction which focuses on single area, the 360-degree liposuction, it addresses the abdomen, the flanks, also called the love handles, the lower back and the mid back, and sometimes the hips also, so creating a sculpted, balanced and proportionate appearance. So what makes 360-degree liposuction unique? So firstly, it is a comprehensive approach. It targets the entire torso and it ensures a seamless transition and the uniform results across all the targeted areas. Second is the customized sculpting. So it is tailored to the patient's body type and aesthetic goals. So last is the enhanced contours. It provides the more defined waistline and smoother back and the overall body harmony. So who is the ideal candidate? So this procedure is ideal for individuals who are near their ideal body weight, but they have some stubborn fat that does not respond to diet and exercise, and a person who wants to improve the appearance of their midsection, a more toned and the proportional look, and a person who has a good skin elasticity, so allowing the skin to be tightened naturally after the fat removal. It is called the skin retraction. So another important thing is you should be in a good general health and you should be free from any serious medical conditions. And last, a realistic expectation about the result. It is very important. So what are the targeted areas in 360-degree liposuction? So first is your abdomen. So it removes the excess of the fat from the upper and the lower belly. Second is the flanks. That is the sides of your waistline, that is called the love handle. So this is very resistant fat here. Third is the lower back or the mid back. So it eliminates the rolls, the bra rolls, and it creates the smoother and more defined contour on your back. And last is the hips. So it gives a very good transition by saving the fat at certain places and removing the fat, and refines the curves, and it enhances your waist to hip ratio. So what is the procedure? So first is the consultation, the pre-surgical consultation with your plastic surgeon. So surgeon assesses the patient's body and determines which area to target and discusses your goals and checks the skin elasticity and the expectation of the client. And third is to assess which type of liposuction is to be used. So tumescent liposuction or the Vaser ultrasonic liposuction or power assisted liposuction. And to discuss about the anesthesia, so it can be performed under general anesthesia or local anesthesia with sedation. So depending upon the extent of the procedure, we have to decide the anesthesia part. And what is the process during the procedure? So in liposuction, very small cuts or incisions, hardly around 3 millimeter is made, and especially in areas which are very less conspicuous. A saline based tumescent solution is injected in the area below the skin, which reduces the bleeding and numbs the area, and it also loosens your fat cells. Then a thin cannula is inserted from a small cut, and it sucks out the fat from the targeted area and giving you a balanced, more contoured sculpt body. So advanced techniques such as ultrasonic or Vaser can melt or emulsify the fats to give you a more precise result. And there are more advanced techniques for the skin tightening. So what is the duration? So typically liposuction can take around 2 to 4 hours. So depending upon the areas targeted and the amount of the fat to be removed. What is the recovery and the aftercare? So immediate you will be worn a pressure garment, that is a tight garment, a stretchable cloth, which reduces the swelling and help the skin to conform to the new contours. So there will be some swelling, bruising or discomfort, and that will subside over 1 to 2 weeks. So patients are encouraged to move around gently and to promote the circulation and the healing. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, the most patients can resume the light activities, and you should avoid strenuous activities like lifting heavy weights, exercise or pressure on the treated area. So the final results. The results become noticeable when the swelling subside, and it is typically, we see the final results at around 3 months. The skin gradually tightens over time and it enhances the final contours. So what are the benefits of 360-degree liposuction? So first, I told you it is a comprehensive contouring. It targets the multiple areas around the torso and it gives you a very balanced and a symmetrical result. Second is the waistline definition. It reduces your waist circumference and enhances the curves. And improved body proportions. It creates a smooth transition between the abdomen, your back and the hips. And of course a boosted confidence. So it helps the patients to achieve a very toned and athletic body. So what are the risks and the complications? So while generally it is safe when performed by qualified plastic surgeons, but there can be some risks which include temporarily the swelling, bruising and numbness, but there are chances of infection or the fluid accumulation which is called the seroma. So we always advise the patients to be on the regular follow-ups for the first 2 weeks. So we are very keen to see any part of the infection or seroma being dwelled, and we can take care of it, and these are very rare in our center. Next is the asymmetry or irregular contours. This usually happens if your surgeon is not well trained in the procedure and he is very aggressive in the superficial liposuction. So irregular contours and asymmetry can be a concern. Last is the skin laxity. If you have a poor skin elasticity, we have to discuss this before the procedure. And the rare complications are the fat embolism. So is 360-degree liposuction right for you? So it is usually advised for the patients who are ideal and seeking a complete transformation of their midsection, and they are within their ideal body weight, they are already dieting and exercising, but there is some redundant fat which is not going. So we can take care of such a patient. This is not the treatment for the obesity. So this is the treatment for body contouring. Thank you.